everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today's show I'm making for all my friends that say cooking is too complicated, and I have a fantastic quick meal that'll take me less than 4 minutes to make, and you are going to be pleasantly surprised. So this is show number 301. We're celebrating. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It's in the lower right hand corner if you're on a computer. If you're on a cell phone, stand up your cell phone. You'll see the subscribe button. Hit that bell button if you want to be notified when we have some more videos. And if you think this is a neat recipe, please hit the thumbs up. Also send me some comments because I love to see the comments. I look every day for them. So to start, let's go through the ingredients. We have chicken breasts. So I would recommend 2 chicken breasts per person. Then we have some canned goods. Simple things. We have a cream of mushroom soup. Could not be easier. We have cream of chicken soup. We have cream of celery soup. 2 cups of rice. And by the way, you don't have to write all this down. If you just click on the subscribe button, you'll see the more, and then the ingredients will be there. Or if you want, you can go to my website, which is jamestdds.blogspot.com. Chicken breast, salt, pepper, and enough water to fill up 2 cans. I'm using purified water. And then there's butter. You want to put some butter on top of each chicken breast. I have a half a stick here, and I was able to cut that up in about 5 fairly good pieces. Probably could get 6 out of that. So let's start out with our ingredients. So I'm just going to grab a spoon here and just spoon out these ingredients. Just like that. A buddy of mine, he makes a chicken, and when he does it, he uses a cream of chicken soup. And I've made his recipe before, and that's pretty good. This particular one has the 3. This is going to be very, very tasty. I'm really excited about us eating this one tonight. Get all this out of the can here. There we go. 2 waters. Still using my spoon to break things down just a little bit. Then a whisk in a little bit of a circular motion. The stove is up to temperature finally. You want to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. This is looking pretty good. It's almost mixed. Mixed pretty easy. That's a pretty good deal there, that's for sure. Has everybody seen these things? You get them on Wish, you get them on Amazon to put your spoons on, so you don't mess up your counter. Next thing I want to do is sprinkle in the rice. This is 2 cups of brown rice. You could use brown or you could use white. Just going to give this a little bit of a mix. Nice and slow. Try not to splash. Pretty full casserole dish. Might want to use one a little bit larger than this. I think the instructions said like a 9 by 9. So I would say that's a minimum. This is a lot of ingredients. Here we go. Chicken breasts. Then the butter. Helps if your butter is a little bit cold. Or, I would think, if you have any of those little pieces that come in a restaurant like this, come with your fast food meal. When I used to order a lot of fast food, I used to get them. I never liked these at the restaurant. I always liked my butter soft. So a half a stick worked out perfect per chicken breast, and I'm doing 3 on this recipe. So, next thing I do is salt and pepper. And paprika, and I like to do the pinch. I don't do the sprinkle. I like a bit, but not overly a lot. Paprika is kind of a strong taste. There's my salt. Now the next thing, and the last step, is so easy. You put it in the oven, 350 degrees, covered. Well, the timer has beeped, and I've just pulled it out of the oven, and it looks really, really delicious. Now it's hot. It's definitely done. I've checked the timer, and it's 183. So all I needed was 165. So putting it in the oven there for 90 minutes was certainly enough. I'm also going to make some corn. So I'm going to start some canned corn, some pepper, a lot of pepper, salt, and this is sea salt. My sister gave me this bottle. I'm going to use that. And then I have a stick of butter, and my trick is you don't even have to take the butter out of the wrapper. You just throw it in like that as it gets hot and melts, comes off the paper, and you'll be able to take it out. And then for dessert, we're going to have some fruit cocktail. So I've opened a can of fruit cocktail. Well, that's the show for the day. I hope you've enjoyed it. Be sure to make this. It's the easiest dish that I've ever made, and I know it's going to be delicious. So, thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.